To have. Uh-huh. You can say they are. Yeah. Yes. So you can say there are two mangoes on the table. Yeah. Miễn. Yeah. Miễn xoài. Miễn xoài B. Two mangoes by B. Mhm. Miễn xoài. Mhm. Miễn xoài B. B is two. Miễn xoài B. Tini. There are two mangoes here. So Tinis is here. Here, Tini. Mhm. Tini here. Yeah, sorry. So here is there are two words. Yeah, Tini here. Tini. Tini.